What happens? If they cry, they're told they're too sensitive. If they try to explain, they're punished for talking back. Over time, that child learns a heartbreaking lesson. My voice doesn't help me. Speaking up makes things worse. It makes people angrier. It makes me unlovable. Pause. So they learn to swallow it. They learn to retreat, to sit alone, hold their breath, and self-soothe. And then they grow up. But when someone hurts them, it's not just the present moment anymore. When somebody gets hurt, we usually expect a reaction. We expect tears. We expect raised voices, slamming doors, or a flood of angry text messages. We are conditioned to believe that pain is loud. But what about the people who do the exact opposite? What about the person who just stops? They don't yell. They don't argue back. They don't even defend themselves. They just go completely, devastatingly quiet. Pause. If you've ever been on the receiving end of this silence, you might think they don't care. You might think they're being cold or stubborn, or that they're trying to punish you. But if you are the person who goes quiet, you know the terrifying truth. The silence isn't empty. It's actually deafening. Pause to understand why this happens. If you're carrying a universe of unspoken words inside your chest, hear this. You are incredibly strong for surviving the way you did. Your silence protected you when nothing else could. But you are not that helpless child anymore. It is safe to come out now. Your feelings are not a burden. Your voice is not a weapon. It is okay to say, "That hurt me." It is okay to cry, to be messy, to take up space. You don't have to protect the world from your pain anymore. Pause. Let it out. The right people will stay and they will listen. Pause. This is BT Psychology. Subscribe to understand your mind.